Oh, we gotta comb your ears because your fuzz is all. We got to comb you. I know, we gotta comb your fur though. It's all nappy. Come on. Look. See? 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 So pretty. So pretty. Say, I'm handsome while I'm not pretty. Come here. Come here. Oh. 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 You gonna let me do this here? You gonna let me do this here? You gotta let me comb all the fuzzies out. Come on. Alright. That's a good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. Come here. Come here. Alright, hold on. Here, is he just sit? No, we gotta sit down. We gotta sit down. Right there. Turn the heat down. About right there. There you go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. Woo! Did that scare you? That scared you, didn't it? Well, don't try to bite it. There you go. Yeah. His ears are so fluffy, if I don't blow dry them, they get all matted up, and it's worse the next time we bathe them. Plus, it just makes him fluffy. Yeah, it makes him fluffy. Yeah. He's a good boy. Yeah. Plus, with it starting to be cold outside, it's a little bit chilly in the house, so I'd rather him just be dry and warm instead of freeze, because he's wet. Plus, if he goes outside to potty, I don't want him being cold when he goes outside, so. Look at your little tail. He's like, Mom, stop touching my tail. I gotta do this here. I gotta do this here. He's so spoiled. Say you're spoiled. You're spoiled rotten. And he'll lay here till I'm done. You ready to get up? You ready done? You done? Are you done? You're pretty much done. You barely got anything wet. You ready to get up? So we're done. We're done. We're done. Yeah, we're done. Yes, we are. Yeah, yeah. Oh. But, oh! That didn't sound like it felt good. No, it did not. Oh, oh. Yeah, he's so sweet. Yeah, he's so sweet. Yeah. Look right there. Look right there. You see it? No, look, look, there's you. Look, you're right there. Ah! Look, right here. Right there. No, right here, look. Look. Get out of there. Look, look, right there. No, we gotta look. Right there. You see you? Look, look. Right there. Do you see it? Oh, what is that? Give me the dryer sheet. You don't need to give me the dryer sheet. Thank you. All right, let's go play. Let's go play.